Welcome back. Let's go across now to Anuj for a quick trade setup on the markets now. Hi, Anuj. Good morning.
Morning, Rima. Well, the market's been very interesting. It's been making higher lows but lower highs. Just look at the table that will come up for you on the Nifty. Now, this is interesting because on 16th November, the high was 19,875. Then it came down to 19,806 and then 19,756. But at the same time, the low has been getting higher from 19,627 to 1967 to 19,670. And the net result of that is that the range is getting smaller and smaller. For the last 3 days, you have 248-point range, then 143-point range, then 86-point range. Normally, this is, the calm before the storm. A big storm is around the corner. Now, on the upside or downside, I don't know. If I was a betting person, I would bet on the upside. And the reason for that is that the market's internals are looking good. The IT index is showing signs of hitting a 52-week high. The bank Nifty yesterday reminded you of that movie Tiger Zinda. Intraday chart, if you see, all of a sudden it had a big spurt. So it's showing some signs of a double bottom at 200-day moving average. Most consumer-facing indices, if you look at the auto index, the FMCG index, across the board, realty index, they are showing signs of making fresh all-time high. They are or are close to at or close to all-time highs. And the mid and small caps have been making new all-time highs. So it looks like a matter of when and not if the Nifty hits new all-time high. Maybe it's just waiting for the election outcome and then does that. Now, talking about day trade on the Nifty, the first support zone is 19,627 to 19,670, the last 3 days range, and also the option writer zone. And the bigger support is 19,329 to 19,214, which has been the double bottom low. Resistance comes in at 19,756 to 19,806, the last 2 days high, and the option writer zone is 19,848 to 875. The bank Nifty is very interesting because it's defending the rising 200-day moving average. Yesterday also it defended that. That level is now at 43,300. Last time when we made the low, it was 43,200. So about 100 points higher. The first support 43,450, yesterday's low, and the biggest support 43,293, the 200-day moving average. On the upside, the resistance comes in at 43,724, which is yesterday's high, and then of course at 44,000 based on options.
Okay, Anuj, thank you very much for joining in.